Ever wonder why women 40 plus in France, Denmark and Finland swear by Brazilian waxing, but few admit it? Keep watching. We'll let you in on the secret. In this video, we dive into the surprising reasons behind this intriguing trend. You'll discover why mature women are ditching razors and opting for wax instead, the common misconceptions they once believed, and the emotional and physical benefits that keep them coming back for more. Get ready to learn why these women prioritize Brazilian waxing despite their age and societal norms. As women age 40 and above, they often seek ways to maintain their youthful appearance and feel more confident in their own skin. However, traditional hair removal methods like shaving can be cumbersome and may not provide the desired long-lasting results. This is where Brazilian waxing comes into play. By choosing to wax, women can enjoy a longer-lasting solution to hair removal, while also addressing other skin concerns. You might be wondering, do women over 40 really prefer Brazilian waxing? The answer is yes. In fact, a recent survey conducted in France, Denmark and Finland revealed that 7 out of 10 women aged 40 and above have opted for Brazilian waxing at least once in their lives, and a whopping 42% of those surveyed expressed satisfaction with the results, making it a popular choice among mature women. Contrary to what many people believe, waxing is not just for the younger generation. Women of all ages can benefit from this hair removal method, and mature women who have chosen to embrace waxing swear by its effectiveness and convenience. While there may be some hesitation due to societal stereotypes, the positive experiences of these women are paving the way for a more inclusive and age-diverse community in the beauty and wellness industry. Another reason women 40 plus in France, Denmark and Finland love Brazilian waxing is because they don't want to deal with the hassle of shaving every week or so. They've probably tried it and are sick of having to do it over and over again. Waxing lasts 3 to 4 weeks, which is much better than shaving. Plus, it is a lot easier to schedule a waxing appointment than to fit in time to shave every week. Many women 40 plus mistakenly believe that waxing is too painful or risky for their mature skin. But the truth is that waxing is safe and effective for all skin types and ages. With proper care, waxing can even improve skin health and provide a smoother, more radiant appearance. These women have likely heard horror stories about waxing from friends or family members, leading them to believe that it's too painful or dangerous for their mature skin. However, when done correctly by a trained professional, waxing can be a relatively painless and safe procedure. Moreover, the long-lasting results and improved skin quality make it a worthwhile experience for those seeking a more convenient and effective hair removal solution. Brazilian waxing has become an emotional journey for women over 40 in France, Denmark, and Finland. Many describe it as a liberating experience that helps them reclaim their bodies and challenge societal expectations. By choosing to wax, these women are taking control of their appearance and defying the notion that certain grooming practices are inappropriate for their age group. This newfound sense of empowerment and self-confidence is a significant emotional benefit of Brazilian waxing for mature women. One major emotional benefit of Brazilian waxing for women 40 plus is the feeling of being pampered and taken care of. Going for a wax can be seen as a special treat and a moment of self-indulgence, allowing them to relax and prioritize their own needs. Many women find that the entire experience is a great opportunity for self-care and a chance to de-stress from the everyday demands of life. The process of removing unwanted hair can be quite liberating for women over 40, helping them feel more comfortable and confident in their own bodies. By choosing to wax, they are taking charge of their personal grooming and challenging societal norms that dictate how women should look and behave at a certain age. This sense of liberation can have a profound impact on their overall well-being and self-esteem, allowing them to embrace their bodies with renewed confidence and pride. Aside from the emotional benefits, Brazilian waxing also offers numerous physical advantages for women 40 plus. One key benefit is that waxing results in smoother, healthier skin. Unlike shaving, which can cause razor burn and ingrown hairs, waxing removes hair from the root, leaving the skin surface silky and bump-free. Additionally, the process helps exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting a brighter and more radiant complexion. For mature women with more sensitive and mature skin, this gentle form of exfoliation is a great way to keep their skin looking fresh and rejuvenated. Another common misconception among women over 40 is that waxing will hurt more than shaving. However, most mature women who have tried both methods agree that waxing is no more painful than shaving. In fact, many find waxing to be a more tolerable experience. Once the skin is properly prepared and the wax is applied correctly, the procedure is relatively quick and the discomfort is minimal. Some women even report that the pain associated with waxing is comparable to that of a very mild sunburn, which subsides quickly. Before undergoing a Brazilian wax, women 40 plus can prepare their skin by following a few simple tips. Firstly, it's important to grow out the hair to a suitable length, as hair that is too short will not be removed effectively by the wax. Typically, the hair should be about half a centimeter or longer. To achieve the best results, it's also advisable to exfoliate the skin beforehand to remove dead skin cells and any ingrown hairs. This will ensure that the wax adheres to the skin more easily and effectively removes all the hair. Additionally, mature women may want to consider taking over-the-counter pain relievers such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen before the procedure to help alleviate any discomfort during the waxing process. After a Brazilian wax, women 40 plus can soothe their skin by following a simple post-wax routine. Firstly, it is important to avoid bathing or showering for 24 hours after the wax to prevent the skin from getting too wet and irritated. During this time, it's also advisable to wear loose, comfortable clothing to avoid putting pressure on the freshly waxed area. To reduce any redness or inflammation, women over 40 can apply a cold compress such as ice or aloe vera gel to the waxed area for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Additionally, it is important to moisturize the skin regularly with a gentle hydrating lotion to keep it soft and prevent dryness. The right products can make all the difference for mature skin. That's why we compiled a list of our top product picks for women 40 plus to use before and after Brazilian waxing. For pre-wax preparation, we recommend the Body Mary Sugar Scrub. This gentle exfoliating scrub helps remove dead skin cells and any ingrown hairs, ensuring that the wax can effectively remove all the hair. Another great option is the Frank Body Brightening Body Scrub. This scrub contains natural ingredients like coffee and blueberry to brighten and smooth the skin while also reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. For post-wax care, the Calm Balm from the Intimate Defense Collection is a must. This soothing balm helps reduce redness and irritation, calm the skin, and promote healing. Another excellent choice is the Soothing Aloe Vera Gel from Art of Sport. This lightweight gel provides intense hydration without any greasy residue, leaving the skin feeling soft and supple. Women over 40 who have tried Brazilian waxing often report feeling more confident and attractive afterwards. The procedure can help eliminate insecurities and boost self-esteem, which can be particularly beneficial for women in this age group, who may be experiencing changes in their bodies or facing societal pressures to conform to certain beauty standards. By embracing Brazilian waxing, mature women are taking control of their appearance and expressing themselves confidently, which can have a significant impact on their overall well-being and quality of life. One surprising result that women 40 plus experience after Brazilian waxing is a renewed sense of energy and vitality. Many report feeling lighter and more refreshed after the procedure, which can contribute to an improved mood and increased enthusiasm for life. This newfound energy can be attributed to the removal of unwanted hair, the improved skin quality, and the overall feeling of confidence and self-assurance that comes with Brazilian waxing. It's no secret that women over 40 in France, Denmark, and Finland are in love with Brazilian waxing. But did you know that it's gaining popularity in other parts of the world as well? A recent study conducted across Europe revealed that nearly half of all women aged 40 and above had opted for Brazilian waxing at least once in their lives. This growing trend is a testament to the numerous benefits of this hair removal method, making it a preferred choice for mature women who want to maintain a smooth and confident appearance. Despite the numerous benefits, there are some mistakes that women 40 plus should avoid when getting a Brazilian wax. Firstly, it's important not to neglect pre-wax preparation, as this can lead to discomfort during the procedure and hinder the removal of all the hair. Additionally, mature women should avoid using harsh soaps or lotions on the waxed area before the procedure, as this can dry out the skin and make it difficult for the wax to adhere properly. Furthermore, it's crucial to steer clear of sun exposure immediately before and after waxing, as this can increase the risk of skin irritation and damage. One of the best things about Brazilian waxing is that it's suitable for women of all ages, including those who have never waxed before. For instance, a recent survey conducted among first-time waxers in the United States revealed that nearly 30% were over the age of 40. These women were likely motivated by a desire to explore new hair removal options or a need to address specific skin concerns such as ingrown hairs or razor burn. The majority of first-time waxers in this age group reported feeling nervous but excited about the experience. with many expressing surprise at how painless the procedure was. A woman named Marie from France decided to get a Brazilian wax for the first time at the age of 42. She was initially apprehensive but curious about the experience. After the wax, she couldn't believe how smooth her skin felt and how confident she looked. Marie was so impressed that she immediately booked another appointment and has been a loyal customer ever since. Her friends and family were surprised by her newfound confidence, and many of them started considering Brazilian waxing as well. Another French woman named Chloe, who was 45 years old, had always struggled with unwanted hair in her bikini area. She tried shaving and using depilatory creams, but neither option provided a long-lasting solution. On the advice of her sister, Chloe decided to try Brazilian waxing. Despite being nervous, she went ahead with the procedure and was amazed by the results. Not only was her skin completely smooth, but she also noticed that the hair regrowth was much finer and lighter. Chloe was so pleased with the outcome that she became an advocate for Brazilian waxing among her friends and family. These stories highlight how Brazilian waxing can be a transformative experience for mature women, boosting their confidence and providing a sense of liberation and empowerment. If you're a woman over 40 who's on the fence about trying Brazilian waxing, we encourage you to take the plunge. The benefits of this hair removal method are numerous, ranging from physical to emotional and social. You'll not only enjoy smoother and healthier skin, but also experience a boost in confidence and self-esteem. So why wait? Give Brazilian waxing a try and see for yourself the amazing difference it can make in your life. You may just find that it's the perfect solution for your hair removal needs and a great addition to your self-care routine.